Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork burritos at home. First, select a 2-pound pork shoulder or butt for the best results. Season your pork generously with 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Then, slow cook the pork for about 3 to 4 hours until it is incredibly tender and easy to shred with 2 forks. This ensures a juicy and flavorful base for your burritos. Next, let's prepare the essential fillings. Cook 1 cup of rice and mix it with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a bright, zesty flavor. Warm 1 can of black beans, adding about a 1/4 cup of your favorite salsa to infuse them with a delicious kick. Dice 1 small onion and 1 colorful bell pepper to add a delightful crunch and freshness to your burritos. These components are crucial for a well-rounded taste. Now it's time to assemble your perfect pork burrito. Warm 8 large flour tortillas, about 10 inches in diameter, to make them soft and flexible for rolling. Spread a thin, even layer of refried beans across the center of each tortilla. This adds a creamy texture and rich flavor. Then, pile about a 1/2 cup of your delicious shredded pork, along with the cilantro lime rice and seasoned black beans, right in the middle. To complete your masterpiece, add your favorite toppings. Sprinkle about a 1/4 cup of shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese over the fillings, and add a generous spoonful of fresh salsa. Carefully fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla, then firmly roll it up from the bottom, creating a snug, secure burrito. Serve your homemade pork burritos immediately with extra salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or creamy guacamole for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.